Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you how I've been keeping my tortillas warm lately. This pine needle tortilla warmer from JOSE Artesano has really allowed me to enjoy each one of my meals. I love having my tortilla with my tacos with any dish, but it's super crucial for it to be warm, and this is just what it's doing. I'm loving this tortillero. It's working perfectly. The size is just right. It allows me to have plenty of tortillas in here without having to heat them up every second. I really love how this is handcrafted in Mexico. I love that it's 100% made out of natural materials, and it's simple, elegant, but yet it's sturdy and it's very durable as well. My family and I are loving it, and we give this tortillero a 10 out of 10. I know you're gonna love it too. Not only is this great for tortillas, you can also use it for pancake, waffles, or bread. It'll keep it warm, it'll keep it tasty and delicious, but that's just my point of view.